3 ways to thicken your bass. So I have a bass sound here, and I'm going to demonstrate 3 different ways you can use to thicken it up. So first is apply some tape saturation to give the bass more body and mid-range. So let's have a listen to the sound. We can use the Waves J37 here to apply some tape saturation. This should thicken up the mid-range. So that gave the bass some more body, and it also added to the mid-range. So the second technique is to use parallel compression, and this should be able to extend the bass tails, and with this technique you blend it to taste. So I have a parallel compressor set up here, and we're going to adjust the wet-dry control to blend in our parallel compression till we find a nice sweet spot. And the third technique is to layer the bass up an octave higher with the same sound or something similar. So I've duplicated the original sound here. I've transposed the notes an octave higher. I've put an EQ on just to roll off some of the highs. Let's turn this processing off. And now as I blend in the version of the sound an octave higher, you should hear it start to thicken up. And that was 3 ways to thicken up your bass. So we were wondering, do you have any techniques that you could use to thicken up your lead sounds? Please share your techniques with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching.